Men, and I use the term loosely, of course. YouTube says that 100% of my viewers are men. I'm flattered by that, I really am. But today is the day we got to change that. I've got something to show you, and I've got something to show your old lady. You need to go get your wife, your mistress, your girlfriend, whatever, drag them over here and make them watch this video. It's the time of year where they've probably been bugging you. Honey, what do you want for Christmas? What do you want for Christmas? And you really don't know. You don't give a fuck, really, If it isn't a fucking gold brick and well, we won't get into the rest of that. But anyway, go get them, have them sit down, have them watch us, because I'm going to show you and them what they could get you for Christmas that's going to make your life better. So hit pause, go ahead and hit pause now, and go get them. Ladies, you've been struggling with what to buy your old man for Christmas. This is the answer. What is this, you say? This is a toaster cover for a gas tank. Your old man's got an iron head sitting in the garage, and you know that he loves it more than he loves you. Aforementioned motorcycle might have a $2,000 paint job right on a gas tank, and your old man needs something to keep that gas tank and its paint job safe. Bike is sitting around in the garage, a lot of dust, a lot of dirt, sanding dust, sawdust, grinding grit. All of that is floating around in the air and can accumulate on the gas tank. You don't want any of that shit getting ground into the paint and ruining it. Gas tank covers don't exist. This is the first one I've ever seen, and it's because I had it made. These things are handcrafted by an artisan in Colorado, made one at a time in the good old USA. Let's face it, you got a piece of crap $19 toaster in your kitchen, it's got a toaster cover on it. Why shouldn't your old man have a handcrafted cover for his expensive paint job? I've got two styles, an economy version, plain black. Fabric's a little thinner, but it's cheaper. I've got the deluxe version, a little thicker fabric with a little padding in it, and the flame paint job. Oh sure, a guy could cover the whole motorcycle with the bike cover. But bike covers are kind of a pain in the ass because number one, you can't put it on when the exhaust is hot. And number two, they're kind of awkward, it's hard to install them, they're big. During riding season, this is what you need. Pull your bike in, you don't have to worry about the exhaust pipes being hot. You cover it up, you're ready to go the next day, and off it goes. This is truly the way to go. So go ahead and get your old man a couple of these. They're on eBay. Links will be provided below. These guys, the deluxe ones, are 45 bucks a piece. These guys, the economy versions, are 30 bucks a piece. I don't have a lot of them. I'm hoping they're going to sell out quick. Act now. Act fast. These are going to go quick. But wait, there's more. Everybody gets not one, but two Ironhead Cycle stickers. But wait, there's even more. For a limited time only, and only while supplies last, the first few customers are going to get a free Ironhead Cycle coffee cup. And now for a couple of technical details. These covers are designed to only fit the original style 2.2 gallon Ironhead gas tank. They will not fit an Evos Sportster 3 gallon gas tank. Remember, 2.2 gallon original style gas tanks only. And thank you all ever so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button for me if you would, please. And y'all have a happy holiday. And I am out of here. Thank you.